Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lemon Pepper Link here, and this is a tutorial on how to build my frames for LEGO Speed Champions pickups. This particular frame is sized for a single cab, long bed, either single wheel or dually, with winch bumpers and a rear step bumper. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, here is the expanded view of the frame. With all of the pieces used in the general area that they were used in. There is 6 of these 1x1 headlight bricks with variant lighting. 4 of these 1x1 snot bricks, and only 2 of the standard 1x1 bricks. A 1x2 Technic hole brick, a standard 2x1 brick, and a 1x16 brick times 4, 2 2x8 plates, 3 1x8 tile, 6 2x1 grill tile, 2x1 jumper plate times 2, 1x2 plate times 2, 1x3 plate times 4, a 1x4 plate times 8, a 1x6 plate times 5, a 1x8 plate times 6, and finally a 2x4 plate times 3, plus a 2x2 winch. Now it's time to put the frame together. 1x16, 2x8, another 1x16, set it up just like that. Then 1x4, put it at the bottom, then match the other side. Then a 2x4, right there. Then another set of 1x4s, right there. Then another 2x4, right there. And with it like that, we take a 1x8, put it at the very end, just like that. Then that leaves room for the other 2 1x16s. Then 2x4, and 1x4s. Then skipping to the other 2x8, and that is the bottom of the frame. Now inside of the first cross member made by the first 2x4 you put the two jumper plates, because that is the location of the motor. Then you set that down, because now it's time to build the front bumper out. You take the snot brick and a headlight brick, put them together, then you set them up just like that. And there'll be one to match the other side. Just like this. And I have yellow 1x1 tiles for lighting, because every truck needs lighting. Then now we take another headlight. Well, not a headlight, because there is a difference, but a 1x1 snot brick, and put one there and another there. I have the blue lighting on them. Now the headlight bricks times 2 sets right up here, just like that, and it staggers the lighting a little bit. Then the 2x1 of the Technic hole, dead center. Then the winch will go right there. If the line is properly done and all of that, it'll fit right through the Technic hole. Then you set up your grill plates. All 6 of the grill plates will fit just like that. Alright, now it's time to build the top section of the frame. Take your 1x8 tile, 2 of them, and set them at the very front here. Quite a bit of the overhang of your engine will fit on top of the tile. Then your 1x4 plates, followed by your 1x6 plates. Then you take your 1x8 plates and stack them on top, starting from the tile back. Then you match on the other side. Then moving back, we have a staggering system. So another 1x6, 1x6, and 1x8, 1x8, 1x3, 1x3, 1x6, and 1x2, 1x2. Now it's time to build the back bumper. One by one's there. The 1x1 headlight bricks there. Then you match on the other side. Then on top of that, 1x2 brick. Quick design change. The 1x6s that originally was on top, move them to the bottom and switch the 1x4s to the top, keeping the 1x2s right there. And then the 1x3s to the left, you put one on either side, creating step pockets and helping tie the bumper together. Then your very last tile you put right there, helping tie the bumper to the frame. And with that said, that is the entirety of the frame with the bumpers. Then everything with the body, motor, axles, and all of that should fit right on in. Your Cummins with the Eaton transfer case fits right there. See, it fits right on the jumper plates of the engine cross member, and the tranny fits on the tranny cross member, leaving one more cross member back here to help the frame rigidity. And with the engine and tranny in, it's now time to put the body on. I have a squirrel body that fits on it. The cab and hood in all of its glory. Then a front clip with all of the internal engine pieces minus the engine. Install the front clip to the cab. Yeah, you have the body and the front clip together, plus the functioning hood. Then you set that on the cab body. Just like that. The engine should fit snugly against the firewall of the cab. Then that should leave enough room for any bed that y'all running, no matter what kind of bed y'all running. Either it'll be a body matching bed, a flat bed, dump bed, yada 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 yada. As long as it fits the length of frame that y'all have made, then it will walk. And it'll go on. With it all said and done with, you have your front winch bumper sticking out the front, your rear bumper sticking out in the back, tailgate on your standard bed should work just fine. Tailgate works just fine. And your hood will open up and reveal your engine, your batteries, the radiator, brake booster, and all of that, and work just fine. And any suspension, tires, and all of that is all personal preference. And that is the tutorial of how to build the frames for my Speed Champion trucks. Lemon Pepper over and out.